इतने सारे लोग हैं, कंपटीशन भी है, हंसना नहीं है, हंसाना है। सब आपके फेवरेट कॉमेडियंस हैं, आपके दोस्त हैं। लाइक it was a carnival, but I was particularly scared of laughing when I saw Sunil Grover, when I saw Akash, Gaurav, because these are people I find hilarious. You never stare at the red curtain because anything can. And ये हुआ मेरे साथ, गौरव गिरा कुछ बन के निकला ना, like, and I had to like walk. Shit, will you resist? Will you laugh? Will you not? I think everyone was more focused on enjoying and playing the game. I don't think anyone was focused on the money.
When you talk about comedy and you do not think about the very own Malika Dua या फिर ये कहें Dustin Durante or maybe the Excuse Me, well, मैं बात कर रही हूँ मलिका दुआ की, जो कि बहुत जल्द आपको नजर आने वाली है। लाफ्टर की एक नई लहर को स्टार्ट करती है, लेकिन इस लाफ्टर की लहर में एक बहुत बड़ा ट्विस्ट है। ये लाफ्टर की लहर मलिका शुरू तो कर सकती है, लेकिन इस लाफ्टर की लहर में खुद भागीदार नहीं बन सकती। इन शॉर्ट, शी कैन नॉट लाफ herself, but she has to make the front opponent person actually laugh on her jokes, because वो है हिस्सा लॉल हंसे तो फंसे का, जो कि बहुत जल्द Amazon प्राइम पे ऑन एयर जाने वाला है। well, आज मेरे साथ इस चैट सेशन में जुड़ने वाली है मलिका दुआ, और वो करेंगी शेयर इस अनोखी जर्नी या ये कहें इस विटी शो के बारे में, एंड बताएंगी हाउ वाज द जर्नी विद दीस कॉमेडियंस, द फेवरेट मोमेंट्स एंड व्हाट नॉट दैट वेंट बिहाइंड एक्चुअली द गैग्स दैट शी प्रिपेयर्स। तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ बुलाते हैं मलिका दुआ को और जानते हैं कि वो क्या शेयर करना चाहती है। Well, I would say it's a pleasure to have you back again, Malika, on Telly Chakkar. How are you, by the way, now?
I'm all right so far, and I'm praying that it stays that way.
I'll keep my fingers crossed. Okay. So, you know, when I think about laughter, when I think about comedy, it is like an unsaid thing that Malika has to be there. So how has now this new association with LOL हंसे तो फंसे, जहाँ पे हंसी कंट्रोल करनी है, how has that been for you?
It was crazy, insane. Like, it's so difficult, but it's so much fun. कि कैसे मतलब it's like a party game, you know, कि इतने सारे लोग हैं, कंपटीशन भी है, हंसना नहीं है, हंसाना है। सब आपके फेवरेट कॉमेडियंस हैं, आपके दोस्त हैं। लाइक it was a carnival. मतलब पागल हो गए थे। मतलब आइडिया सुना, मैंने कहा skills, how do I have to make people who will not laugh and they are not supposed to laugh, but I also cannot laugh. Oh my god.
But then did you have a cheat trick? Like yesterday when we were talking to Cyrus, he said मैं तो cheating के तरीके निकाल रहा था. Did you also have a cheat trick?
I have a cheat trick. I just had a character that I was holding on to. कि मतलब I was trying to be like the not so friendly person. Like, yeah, I was a bit like that. Because there is no other way. Because if you get too friendly and you start, you know, playing into people's gags too much, तो आपको तो हंसी आएगी। और मैं तो लोगों की शक्लें देख के हंस देती हूँ, तो मैं थोड़ा अपने आप को बचा रही थी उनसे।
Okay, has it ever happened with you that you were in a very serious situation, or maybe a very grey situation, and you ended up just bursting out laughing? Has it ever happened?
Yeah, in school when like ये जो फालतू सब्जेक्ट्स की टीचर्स बहुत ही खुद को सीरियसली लेती थी पनिश करने की, तो हमें ऑब्वियसली हंसी आती है ना।
PTA meeting, parent teacher meeting.
I never used to go for that. Like, kids wouldn't go, parents would go and then come back and slap us. But this was in school, जब punishment होती ना कि कॉपी नहीं लाओ, बाहर जाओ, क्या है? या मैं टिफिन खा रही होती थी हमेशा छुप के, and when I would get caught, I would laugh. So I would always laugh at inappropriate situations.
Okay, so अगर मैं बोलूँ, you know, being जैसे आपने कहा इतने बड़े comedians, इतने known comedians, some of them you have followed, some of them you have worked along with, उनके साथ यहाँ पे compete करना, उनके you know pros and cons जानना, आपके लिए सबसे toughest competition कौन था?
Competition उस तरह से मैं किसी को देख नहीं रही थी. I was looking at everyone as like colleagues and inspiration. But I was particularly scared of laughing when I saw Sunil Grover, when I saw Akash, Gaurav, because these are people I find hilarious. You know, I can't keep a straight face around them, you know. तो I was like कि मैं इनसे थोड़ा भाग के बच के, you know, चलूंगी. I'll keep dodging them because I will crack up. But competition, I don't think anybody came with that spirit. Everyone just came to have a great time.
Well, I don't know about other people, but I would say that, you know, this is like the most modern version for me in the bestest way possible of Big Boss, जो I have loved at least the trailer, and I'm so excited now for 30th कि भाई आ जाए अब. You know, lockdown में this is the only source of entertainment for me, like the full-fledged entertainment. How has the response fans की तरफ से आपके लिए कैसा रहा है?
So it's actually nothing like Big Boss that I have
It's
to
not.
say.
It's not. I know.
Literally only the fact that we're locked up and that there are cameras on us is common. It's a whole other format, whole other vibe. You know, we're not running the kitchens or cleaning the house for free. We're not doing any of that. We're just like, there's different things happening in this
Yes.
house. It's a different vibe, but response has been fun. Yeah, I think people want to watch something funny right now. You know, they want to be cheered up and they don't want to be made to like think too much at this point. So people are excited to watch it. They're like, ये क्या है? How? What is this? आप लोग सारे एक साथ कैसे? क्या करोगे? You know? So ये like people are very curious more than anything else.
Okay, tell me one thing very honestly. Has it ever been that, Malika Dua, somebody comes up to Malika for a suggestion for a problem that, Malika aisa hua hai, what do you think should I do? And Malika, instead of helping them out, ends up just laughing on their face. Has that happened?
I'm not laughing on their face, but like जैसे ना मैं Q&As करती हूँ अपने Instagram पे, तो वहाँ कभी-कभी लोग बड़ी अजीब-अजीब चीजें पूछ लेते हैं कि दीदी दिस बॉय डजंट लाइक मी, मैं क्या करूँगा? अब मैं कहा मैं क्या एडवाइस दूँ इस पे, तो मैं अपने तरह की एडवाइस देती हूँ, नॉन सीरियस, बिकॉज आई एम लाइक यू आर कमिंग टू अ कॉमेडियन फॉर एडवाइस नाउ, देन डील विद इट.
घर में जब आपको हंसाने की कोशिश की जा रही थी एंड यू डिड नॉट हैव टू लाफ, आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? व्हाट वर यू रिमाइंडिंग योरसेल्फ? डोंट लाफ, डोंट लाफ, डोंट लाफ, और व्हाट वाज द मंत्र?
I was just like, breathe. I'm just like, be serious, walk away, just walk away, go to somebody else, just walk away and be hyper aware क्योंकि पीछे से कोई आ सकता है, साइड से कोई आ सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. and एक ना रेड कर्टन है जिसके beyond is like a changing room and a prop room, so anybody could like come out of it dressed as anything and you'd just be caught off guard. I was like, never stare at the red curtain because anything can, and ये हुआ मेरे साथ. गौरव गिरा कुछ बन के निकला ना, I was like, and I had to like walk, it happened. And it was crazy because कुछ भी हो रहा था यार, कुछ भी हो रहा था, लोग कुछ भी props लेकर आ रहे थे, क्या कोई gags कर रहे थे, madness everywhere, just everyone was just doing their own thing. And I don't know how they've edited this show because there were 40 cameras on 10 comedians plus Baman and Arshad. I don't know how they've done it, like how they saw that footage and what they did.
How was it with Baman and Arshad? Because I saw how, they were trying to pull your legs and then they were trying to push you also to give your best, and then, the whole chemistry and the whole camaraderie was really good. How was it with them for you people?
It was really good, yeah. They were pulling each other's leg, they were pulling Cyrus's leg, our leg, everything, and they're very chill people, I think they're the best people like to be kind of monitored by in this show. And they're so fun and so funny. Like, it was amazing. Of course, every time they walked into the house, we knew कि चलो किसी को कार्ड मिला है तभी आए हैं ये. But we were also excited कि ये क्या लेकर आएंगे.
Did you guess when you were offered the show कि आपके दिमाग में आया कि अच्छा वो हो सकता है? Or did you ask अच्छा यार who are gonna be there like the other people were asking? Did you do that?
Obviously, but they didn't tell us.
So did you have a hint कि कौन हो सकता है? Did you put your bets on it in the head?
In my head, I did, but I never thought that this would be like, it would be such a diverse ensemble.
आपके माइंड में से कोई भी था वहाँ पे जो आपने इमेजिन या एक्सपेक्ट किया था?
हाँ, of course.
How many were there out of your calculation that you thought?
3.
So if I talk about it, creating a gig and then also keeping in mind that the audience को बुरा ना लगे, the people who are actually following you उनको बुरा ना लगे, sentiments hurt ना हो. What goes in the mind of actually creating the whole concept, like you said कि मैं एक अपना बहुत एक face लेके एक अपना role लेकर गई थी अंदर कि मैं उसी को follow करूंगी and that's how I'm gonna sustain in the whole show of it. उसके पीछे की story क्या है? How did you come up with that idea?
I think we planned gags. And because we had certain guidelines, we couldn't smile as part of a gag, we couldn't do certain things, so we knew हमारे limitations क्या थे. So there was a little bit of preparation that we did before, and then inside the house, you couldn't predict अंदर क्या होगा. तो जैसे पहले जैसे ही clock शुरू हुई, I remember Sunil came from behind doing some monkey action, and I ये क्या हो गया? अगर ये बहुत होगा यहाँ पे कि आप खड़े-खड़े कोई कुछ भी कर देगा. तो एक स्थिरता बना के रखना जरूरी था. You almost had to be in a meditative state. So that's something you learn in the house, how to survive in the house. because one thing you learn very quickly is कि आप कुछ भी prepare करके जाओ वो उल्टा जा सकता है. So I think just being very aware and very flexible in the house was the best way to survive.
Prize money जो आप लोगों को जिसके लालच में आपको अंदर लेकर गए थे, that you know that is the prize money that you're gonna get. And उसी कारण
money के लालच में तो कोई नहीं था. I'll be honest with you. It was all basically, it was literally about, you know, shit, will you resist? Will you laugh? Will you not? I think everyone was more focused on enjoying and playing the game. I don't think anyone was focused on the money. Because we got paid to do the show anyway, no?
Your father is himself like a journalist, like a senior most, and you know quite known in the industry. And I'm sure तब काफी लोगों ने कहा होगा क्या Malika, you are going into comedy and now touchwood you've made quite the huge mark for yourself. How does that feeling, you know, does it sink into you still, or you're still trying to absorb that feeling? What do they say now?
कभी ऐसे openly मतलब सोचा नहीं था कि मैं comedy में ही जाऊंगी. I was always performing on stage otherwise, and I like we're all very funny at home. Yeah, my dad's the funniest actually. उनका प्रोफेशन सीरियस है और वो बड़े फनी है, तो वो ना डीएनए में था ये. But and so my mom's a doctor, but obviously I never thought of being one. I was just too bad at studies to be one. And my sister was very studious. I did try journalism for a bit, like some course I did and all, and I soon realized that this is not something that I'm cut out for, in the at least in the political commentary sense, like the serious way in which my father approaches it. And I was like, and if I have to do entertainment journalism, then if I have to go there, then if my first love is performance, then I should give that a shot first, you know, before I document it or whatever. So so what I ended up doing actually was कि मैं ad agency मैंने join की. So I was a copywriter for a couple of years, you know. So that's where content creation began, comedy or making easily consumable content, coming up with ideas every day. All of that started there. And I'd done theater at an undergrad level. That's what I got my degree in. And I was anyway doing plays. So once this happened and like these opportunities started coming and all, my parents were actually a little skeptical because they didn't understand what this industry is. Like now, after so many years, you can still pinpoint and say ये क्या है. तब तो आपको पता ही नहीं था ना कि मतलब एक वीडियो आपका वायरल हो गया तो आप उठ के बॉम्बे चले जाओगे. Wow, you know. But luckily, I had met the right people. I had met like agencies, and you know, I'd been told that okay, this is what happens. This is the money that comedians make. These are the opportunities that they get, and it's not just a random ad hoc thing. It's a very developing and organized industry, and you know, you'll be managed by a company and they will get you work and whatever. And I was like, and that's when I made that decision I have to give it a shot, because if I don't, I'll regret it. So I literally told my bosses at my ad agency, and they were like, go Dua, if you fail, come back, but don't fail. You know, they were very nice, encouraging people I worked with. And my parents, so bechare, they thought they were just looking for the best for me. So they were like, can't you migrate to your agency in Bombay and try this on the side? And I was like, ye nahi hoga aise. So, and I remember very well, like I was so risk averse that I told this agency that I was initially managed by, I was like, see, this is the rent in Bombay for a 1 BHK in Andheri. And this is what I need to make every month minimum to survive in this city. Are you guaranteeing that I'll make this? And you know, I had this whole conversation with them. But practical concerns होते हैं ना, दिल्ली से बॉम्बे शिफ्ट होते हो या कहीं से भी बॉम्बे शिफ्ट होते हो. So yeah, I put all of those. I first sorted my practical concerns and then I decided. And because my parents just wanted to make sure that I'm not whiling away their time, my time. And I requested them to pay rent for like my first 2 months. And after that they said, नहीं हम नहीं देंगे एक 2 महीने के बाद. You have to make sure that you know. And luckily I didn't have to ask them after 1 month.
Perfect. What do you have to tell to the fans जो बहुत जल्द आपको 30th of April को देखने वाले हैं, इस लॉल हंसे तो फंसे में देखने पसंद करेंगे? What do you have to tell them?
Nothing. I just don't want to say anything. I'm just like, please watch. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं होती कौन हूँ किसी का कुछ बोलने वाली.
Well, thank you so much, Malika. It was a pleasure again having you over Telechakkar. I wish you all the luck, and it was great having you.
Thanks, cutie. Take care.
Bye. Thank you. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandey, जहाँ आज की मेरी मेहमान थी मलिका दुआ. I really hope कि आप लोग मलिका से मिलना पसंद करेंगे. Only on 30th of April, Amazon Prime की new series LOL हंसे तो फंसे में. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chocker for all the more updates for the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chocker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.